how to trade cards on Monopoly Go. Today in this video I'll show you how to do that, so follow up with me. First, of course, we go ahead and open the game, and then we wait for it to fully load up. This depends on how good is your phone and your internet connectivity. And as you can see here, as the app is fully loaded up, I have to go ahead and make sure that I have at least 15 net worth upgrades, because that is required for me to unlock the album category right here. So once you have that achieved, go ahead and tap right there and you find all of your stickers right here. So all you need to do from here is to tap on the sticker that you want to send. You'll find the friends list right there and tap on the friend that you want to send this to, and you should be able to trade stickers just like that. Now, if you want also to exchange stickers for something else, tap right here in the bottom right. And you can go ahead and tap on these stores right here, but as you can see, I don't have enough. And that is it for the video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.